Hi friends, this is Sagnika here, welcoming you to Mom's Kitchen. Today we are coming up with a drink. Oh, hold on, it's not a drink but an ice cream. Well, it's something new. It's coconut ice cream. Do you know coconut has anti-aging effects in our body? Apart from this, it boosts immunity. Now let's watch the recipe. Take 1 bowl of coconut pulp, half glass of coconut water, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 pinch of cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon raisins. First remove the coconut pulp from the green coconut. Then combine coconut pulp, coconut water, sugar, milk powder, and cardamom powder in a grinder. Now blend it to the fullest. Now pour this mixture in small bowls. Refrigerate it for a few hours. Remove the balls from refrigerator. Smoothen the refrigerated coconut ice balls in a mixer grinder and make a creamy paste of it. Now the coconut ice cream is ready. Garnish it with raisins. Hope you liked this video. For more videos, keep watching Mom's Kitchen and like, share and subscribe.